Hello, my name's David and I'd like to welcome you to this little TAFE video that we've done to help you to get into all your computer things at the Advanced Building section of TAFE SA at Tonsley. So whether you're in class or whether you're external, you will need to know all of this information. There is also a flyer that we've produced that you can look at if you don't want to go through this video, and you can take a bit more time to go through that. So welcome, and so you've obviously been to the TAFE SA site already to do different things, perhaps to look at the courses and things that you're already booked into. Everything that we do is through the TAFE SA site. So whether you are accessing it from your phone, your tablet, you're at home, or at TAFE SA, everything is through this spot. So everything goes through the website at TAFE SA. You may also have gone to the My TAFE SA site. If you haven't, you need to go here. My TAFE SA becomes your site at TAFE. Everything to do with you will be contained in this area. Okay, so My TAFE SA, you need to log in. Now your login is your ID number, which is a 9-digit number starting with a couple of zeros. And the password will be the 6 digits of your birthday. So if your birthday was, say, the 15th of March 1980, well then it would be 150380, and you'll be asked to change that password. Now once you change the password, make sure you can remember it somehow, because you need to get back in here regularly, because each semester you need to book in here. You also need to book in your units by knowing the CRN, which is a special number which allocates you to a particular unit and a particular class. So you need those CRNs, and you'll get them from your teachers or from course counselling somehow. So you need to book in through here, pay through here, and at the end of your training or your semester, you'll be able to go here and check your results, which is really good. You need to keep a tab on your results. So that's all done through My TAFE SA. So you'll be here often, so please log in and remember how to do that. Once you've been here though, it might be better to go through this here, which is the portal. Now the portal has been specially designed so that when you go into here, into your portal, you get into here and you can access everything that you need. So to get into here, you'll need your email address. Now you've been given an email address, you should have that already. You put your email address in here, and you also type in the password, which will be a capital A, a lower A, and the 8 digits of your birthday. So that's 4 digits of the year, okay? Once you do that once, it'll ask you to change your password there as well. Please remember that one too. So I'll finish logging in here, tafesa.edu.au. Yours will be slightly different to that, because it will have student written there. And in you go. And the portal looks like this. This is a fantastic spot to go to, because from here it branches out into everything else. So you may have access to files that you may have done on a computer at TAFE somewhere. You'll be able to access those. You'll be able to access your My TAFE SA stuff straight from here. So this is a single sign-in process, so you don't have to worry about the other sign-in, because you've signed in through the portal this way. So straight into My TAFE SA you can get from here. You can also go to Office 365, which is a Microsoft product with a whole heap of other things in it. And there's also Learn. Now Learn is a Moodle site, which is our learning management system, and all your learning will be done through TAFE SA Learn. So we'll talk about that in a second. Firstly, we'll go to Office 365. So first and foremost, it is an email system. We encourage you to use your email. So it's an Outlook system, it's fantastic. But it also has a whole suite of other things that Microsoft has developed. So we've got OneNote, which is a great app to use, especially on a tablet or a laptop. You've got Word, you've got Calendar, should have Excel and PowerPoint here as well. So all of those you can use directly from the web. Remember that everything on TAFE SA website is available anytime, anywhere, on any device. You've also got OneDrive, which is a file storage spot, which is great because that's in the cloud. You can save things from here at TAFE and take them and open them at home or at work or wherever you are. So a great suite of things there. If we go back to the portal though, we've also got Learn. Again, we can go straight into Learn without logging in again because it's a single sign-on system. Now in Learn, this is what it looks like, and you should have a list of subjects there or units. It may be that your units won't be here yet because you have to book in your CRN, you have to pay your CRN, and then the teacher will be informed that you should be in the class and you should either be put in by the teacher or the teacher will email you with a special code that you put in for an enrolment key to get in. So once you've got your sub-units, you can go and have a look at those. I'll just go to one for example. This is one of my units, and if we were to go here, what we have here, all the units look very similar to this, and so you may have a heap of grids here. These grids you just work through like you would flick through a magazine. They've got all your information, you just start and through you go. And you can go like that, or you can start here and go in, read through the information, go to the next spot here, course information, go to the next spot, topic 1, and through it goes like that. Whole heap of information there, places to see, things to open up, exercises. Here's an exercise here. So you do it, you download that, you look at that, you do what it says, and you upload it here in this little icon that looks like a hand with a piece of paper on it. When you upload something, you may be asked twice whether you want to submit that. You click on those two things twice, it goes straight in. Your teacher will get an email to say that you've put something in. You don't have to worry about that, it's gone. And we go in, we mark it. Once we've marked it, you will get an email to say it's been marked, and so that you can do that, see how you're going. And so you can continue going on through your things like that. And so, or you can just close down and go grid by grid. Okay, so that's how that works. Remember the date here, everything has to be in by that date. There are virtually hardly any applications for extensions because we have to get things in by the end of the semester. So make sure you do all your work by then. I'm going to log in here as a student. So you can see what it looks like to you. It looks exactly the same except you've got less over here. One thing that is over here though is grades. So when you get an email to say that your teacher has marked your work, you need to go back to your unit, have a look at grades and see what it is you actually got. Okay, because it's no good just assuming that you've passed, you may have got a negative result. Okay, so the result will be here, pass achieved may be here, and some feedback here. Alright, so once you worked through that, that's how that goes. So if I go back to the unit then, just here, you can also see there's access to the library here. There's also other people in your course here, and you can message or email your teacher directly from this spot. So Moodle is fantastic, everything's there, so make sure that you use that and get familiar with it, and you'll love it, okay? One thing to remember perhaps is that that Moodle works best in Firefox. Firefox is a Mozilla browser. It's free to download, so download that at home or at work, wherever you do your homework, and you'll find that it's easier to navigate through Learn via Firefox rather than one of the other browsers. Okay, so going back then to where we were here. If you want to find a course, you can use this here. One course that you should be going to find is ABS, standing for Advanced Building Studies Orientation. We'd like everyone to go to this spot, so here it is here, so click on that and in you'll go. It looks like this. You may need an enrolment key. The enrolment key is My Info with a capital M, capital M, lowercase y, underscore, capital I, small NFO. Okay, so My Info. Once you're in, click on the big orange circle, because there is a one quiz question, and we'd like you to, or one question quiz I should say, we'd like you to answer that and then you're in. And so once you're in, you'll see that there's a whole heap of grids here with different things, how to use Learn. There's a contact list here of all your teachers, how to withdraw, how to do RPL, how to get an extension if you've something really bad has happened, and how to get your application for parchment, so to apply for your parchment when you've finished all your studies, and also job vacancy board. Okay, so there's a lot here in the orientation section. So please go here and do that. You need to get into Learn as fast as you can, because if you don't go into Learn, it doesn't activate and your teachers can't find you. So we need to be able to find you here in Learn. So thanks for doing that. TAFE SA website, My TAFE SA, the portal, Office 365 and all its products, Learn, and you're in business and ready to roll at TAFE SA in the computers. So all the best with your studies. Thank you.